In today's video, we'll discuss how to use ChatGPT or other AI tools to set tasks for accounting team members. So let's say you have a new team members and that person is junior. You don't have, as a manager in finance or accounting field, you don't have much time on your hands. So you have to, be brief, concise, and give very direct and comprehensive instruction to your team member to make sure that what you need to get done is completed. So what you see on my screen, I came up with this fictional scenario where a company acquired 25,000 worth of equipment, and I'm asking ChatGPT to write me a comprehensive kind of a guide explaining for junior accounting team member, what needs to get done. So I want ChatGPT to create amortization schedule, provide a summary of accounting entries that needs to be done, explain what documentation to store, how to handle questions from finance team and business team, and then handle external audit questions. And so that was my query in this gray area right here. And then this is what ChatGPT did for me. So it kind of explains that company acquired 25,000 worth of equipment. It's going to be 5-year straight line depreciation, no salvage value. Obviously, you can manage those inputs through ChatGPT prompts. So then you can see here amortization schedule starts with month 1, and then depreciation amount and net book value in the end of each accounting period, and then goes pretty much through the end of it. This abbreviated table just for 60, it just cuts out here after months 2, but obviously you can get a complete table if you need to. Then it shows how depreciation amount is calculated, how it's split by month. Then it shows accounting entries, and if you add your GL accounts, it will assign all these entries to specific GL accounts. But you can see in this case it's kind of broad, general. So this side goes to P&L statement as a debit entries and credit entries. And for first time purchase entry, this is what entries needs to be done. Quite clear, and it explains what kind of documentation needs to be stored. So it's invoice, proof of payment, assets addition form, depreciation schedule, fixed asset ledger, and maintenance or service records. And then it explains how to handle questions from business and finance team. So for example, if they ask why it's not expensed immediately, you can say that team member can explain it's a capital assets providing long-term benefits, and kind of at high level what's happening. And then for external audit, it explains how to what kind of documentation needs to be stored, how to prepare fixed asset subledger, what kind of fields should be there, what kind of documentation can be shared in for efficient audit, and explain policy used. Obviously you can tweak this example for your specific situation and make it broad, more specific, and more detailed if you need to. Pretty neat tool. So thank you. Bye.